Who's running the numbers at ServiceTitan? You've probably heard of ServiceTitan. It's that tech giant revolutionizing the trades industry. But have you ever wondered who's in charge of the money side of things? The person tasked with crunching the numbers, making the big financial calls, and steering this ship towards profitability? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ServiceTitan to uncover the identity of their new chief financial officer. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about a CFO? Fair question. But let's put it this way. The CFO is like the quarterback of the financial world. Every decision they make impacts the entire company. They're the ones who decide where to invest, how to manage risks, and ultimately how to grow the business. So, when a company like ServiceTitan brings in a new CFO, it's a big deal. It's a signal of where the company is headed and what they're trying to achieve. So, who is this financial mastermind? What's their background? What do they bring to the table? These are the questions we're about to answer. We'll explore their career journey, their expertise, and how their appointment could shape ServiceTitan's future. But before we dive into the details, let's take a quick step back and talk about ServiceTitan itself. What does it do? Why is it such a big deal? For those of you who are new to the world of home services, ServiceTitan is essentially a software platform that helps contractors manage their businesses. It's like a supercharged version of QuickBooks, but specifically designed for the trades. Think about plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians. These are the people who keep our homes running smoothly. And ServiceTitan is making their lives easier by providing them with tools for scheduling appointments, managing their teams, handling customer relationships, and, of course, managing their finances. So, with that context in mind, let's talk about why the CFO role is so crucial for a company like ServiceTitan. The trades industry is a massive market, but it's also incredibly fragmented. There are millions of small businesses out there, each trying to compete with the next. ServiceTitan is aiming to consolidate this market and become the go-to platform for contractors. To do that, they need a rock-solid financial strategy. They need someone who can navigate the complexities of a rapidly growing tech company while also understanding the unique challenges of the trades industry. Now, without further ado, let's meet the new CFO of ServiceTitan. His name is Dave Sherry, and he's no stranger to the world of finance. Before joining ServiceTitan, Sherry held CFO positions at Quintoandar, a leading Latin American real estate marketplace, and Lightspeed, a vertical software company focused on the retail and restaurant industries. He also has a strong background in venture capital, having worked at TPG and Excel. So what does this mean for ServiceTitan? Well, Sherry brings a wealth of experience in scaling high-growth tech companies. He's seen it all before: the rapid expansion, the fundraising rounds, the IPO rumors. He knows how to manage cash flow, optimize expenses, and drive profitability. But perhaps most importantly, he has a deep understanding of the software industry. He knows how to leverage technology to create value and drive growth. It's clear that ServiceTitan is making a serious play for the future. By bringing in a CFO with Sherry's caliber, they're signaling their ambition to become a dominant force in the trades industry. With his financial expertise and industry knowledge, Sherry is well equipped to help ServiceTitan achieve its goals. Of course, it's still early days. The proof of the pudding will be in the eating, as they say. But the appointment of Dave Sherry as CFO is undoubtedly a positive sign for ServiceTitan and its investors. So there you have it. That's the story of ServiceTitan's new CFO, a seasoned financial executive with a proven track record of success. It's an exciting time for the company, and we'll be watching closely to see how Sherry's leadership shapes the future of ServiceTitan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.